able to do way more with Sugar than we could with Salesforce at a much lower cost, better supported. It gives us the flexibility to change and adapt the system to suit the business.
And I'd also really put a shout out to the support team at Enable as well. I find them very responsive. I always get some kind of response the same day, and usually, a proper, what I call a proper update with actual progress within 24 hours. And even if I'm slow to come back to them, they still come back to me and check the follow-ups and that sort of thing, which makes a real difference. I've got the kind of the knowledge and the support of the team behind us to help us when we need them.